Hello Techies, welcome to your own channel Techies Chat. Thanks for joining. And just before going through the video, I'll just brief about the context of this entire video. So basically, there is an interview question that is mostly asked regarding performance basis on the HANA data perspective or any database perspective. So there are many things like memory management is there, uh, like checks if the memory is sufficient, how the log backup is happening. Apart from this, there is a SQL performance tuning in SAP basis. So this is something when you're going for basis interview nowadays, they expect you to know HANA as well. This is undeclared truth. They might have written just one or two sentences about the HANA thing in the job description, but majorly they ask things about HANA, and 70% of the interviews will be centralized with HANA database. In the application part, they will ask about database refresh activity, client copy, transport management, issues related with them, ECC to S4 HANA conversion, Fiori, cloud connector. Apart from this, majority of the things will be from the database side. तो अब हम बात करेंगे सीक्वल परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में. Performance tuning from SQL side in SAP basis is like SAP HANA, Oracle, etc. and identify key focus areas like identify, analyze, optimize, monitor. इसमें transaction codes होते हैं. These are the transaction codes that are basically most of them we have discussed. ST04 is for database performance. ST04 is for database performance. Apart from this, ST05 is for SQL. ST03 is ST03 is for workload analysis. DBA cockpit will basically take you to the database monitoring tool. ST12 is for ABAP and SQL trace. ठीक है. एस सीक्वल ट्रेस ST05. तो इसके अंदर हमें क्या क्या पता चलेगा. इट इज यूज टू कैप्चर लॉन्ग रनिंग क्वेरीज, आइडेंटिफाई एक्सपेंसिव सीक्वल क्वेरीज. एक्सपेंसिव सीक्वल क्वेरीज मतलब वो क्वेरीज जिन्हें आसानी से लिखा जा सकता था, थोड़ा ईजी किया जा सकता था, बट दे आर रिटर्न इन सच अ कॉम्प्लेक्स वे दैट इट इज ऑक्यूपाइंग मोस्ट ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज और मोर resources or CPU to basically to get executed. That is also increasing the executing time. So that is basically expensive SQL. Then analyze expensive SQL, full tables, scans, missing indexes, high execution time, large result sets, etc. HANA specific analysis, like this is also kind of you can say performance monitoring or checking expensive SQL codes. We have to check, create indexes on where field, join, use SE11 for index creation and avoid too many indexes. See, bad select star from this, good, okay. Okay. So this is basically an example of this thing. If you have only to select only particular column names, you can mention it. If you want to select all, then basically select all. This is just an example, okay? Use single select query, avoid nested select, use joins, use for all entries carefully. Then SE11 for technical settings. This is also like use column store, monitor HANA Database Studio for like database size and monitoring, memory management, data transfer reduction, code push downs. This all things are also a part of SAP HANA database. These things are self-explanatory, and we have discussed this multiple times. What you can do is you can just take a snapshot of the mentioned screen or the slide and keep it for your last level check and the last level check, last minute checks, and use it accordingly. Okay. Apart from this, there is Oracle database, then database statistics for outdated stats, schedule, VR connected Oracle, auto updated HANA. SM12 is used to check the logs here. Housekeeping means archive old data, cleanup activity should be performed, data size reduce, parallel processing. And these are the interview questions. First, identify, analyze, fix indexes, update statistic, check logs, trace, analyze, avoid blind indexing, coordinate with the map, document before and after. So I know this video was quite brief. I just wanted to basically give you a glimpse of what all questions are asked so that you can just understand and prepare accordingly. These slides are basically just to give you a glimpse of what all things you can expect. Okay. And these things we have discussed multiple times, but still if you need additional details on it, we can always connect again. Okay, so you can ping on the comment section what you think. Do we need to come up with a detailed video on any of the topics that we have covered in in the slides, like any topic, anything, any confusion? You can simply comment on the comment section and I'll come up with a video on that. And if not, then this you can use at your own preparation tool, for instance, and for your preparation, that how much of these questions do you think you can justify, and how much you understand each of these concepts. Okay, so that's it for today's videos. Thank you for watching.